Hello everyone, this is Garima Mittal and I am a solo participant of this Podo hackathon, and I have built a product that is Expensely, and in that it is a smart expense management system which helps the company to track the expenses and give approvals. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. So let me fix on my screen size. Yeah, I think that's fine. And now let's come to the PPT. Yes, let's start. So this is Expensely. Here it is like it is a simplifying expense management with intelligent approvals, you can say. So it is like, let's see what was a challenge we were facing. So traditionally the challenge that expense approvals were manual, slow and error prone, and managers often face delays, lack of visibilities, and also the companies lacked a centralized system to define approval rules or hierarchies. So then I came up with the solution that is Expensely. It is the one-stop dashboard for defining the approval rules, and it has a user-friendly interface to manage users, managers and approvers, and also it allows sequential or parallel approvals. And not only this, it is a configurable minimum approval percentage for flexibility. Also it has major key features, like some of its key features are it defines the approval rules, whether it is for user, whether it is for manager, or for it is for the approver. And then you can choose the managers from the drop down. See, like it is so flexible in this. And besides this, one can also select the approvers dynamically, and also it also enables a approval sequence. And not only this, you can save the settings with smooth transitions and animations. So without much delay, let's have a quick demo. I know like you were waiting for this only. So let's see what is Expensely all about. So this is our dashboard. It has a clean UI, as you can see, and these are all the sections. If you are an employee, then you have to log in from this card. Then if you are a manager, then from this. And if you are from admin, then you have to log in from this. So let us first see what the employee section has for us. So if I am employee, I will click on this and simply I will register, and I will use my ID which I have used it frequently. I will here you can see like it is also having forgot option, sign up option if you are if you haven't like if you're coming to the website for the first time. But I have already created a web like account, email account, so I will go with that only. So and I will choose a random password. Yes, now I will click on login. Yeah, you can see like this is Sarah's dashboard, and here she has applied for many uh, like things. And here you can see like the status. Here it is showing her name, description about it, on the date which she had applied, what under what category she has applied, and who paid the amount, what any remarks if she had added, what was the amount, and its status, like whether it was approved or not. And here you can see like the pending approvals, if there's any pending approval or not. So let us create a new expense. So this is the add new expense dashboard. So here I will simply type my name, that is Sarah, and then here you can choose the date on which you had made that expense. Suppose it happened in, yeah, October only, and 3rd of October. Yes, and you can add a description. I will say some, like some, suppose I add CSR under no, it was, yeah, travel expense, travel expense. Yes, and what was the category? It was CSR, under CSR category, that is corporate and social responsibility. And what was the uh, like amount which I had paid? It, suppose it is 400 US dollars, and who paid the amount? That is I paid the amount. So like here my name, and who approved the thing. Here you can add the person who approved. Suppose we can write any name, any person, like the person who approved the Sarah's claim is Harry. And then we will select a date, time, sorry, date we have already selected. Now we'll select the time at which we have made the payment. Suppose it is at 3 o'clock, and then we'll submit it. So you can see like it has successfully submitted and the data has been sent to our database. Now we'll click on OK. So you can see this is the we have just created just now. This is a new expense which we have created just now, and its status is showing pending, and it is also showing under the pending approvals. So now you'll see that is for the managers who will first approve, and then it all the thing will happen. So let us see whether this change is getting reflected on manager section or not. So let's quickly move on to that. Yeah, so let's go to the manager section. Yes, from here, suppose the manager is email id is pqr@gmail.com. Yeah, so here the password 456. Yes, so you can see this manager has approved Sarah's previous expenses. You can see here these two entries, and this is the new expense which we have created just now under the CSR thing, this one. So now the manager has a choice whether to approve it or reject it. Suppose that a manager rejects this. Okay, so this has been done. So when it's all done, then in actions it shows nothing. That is nothing left. You can proceed. Now let's see whether this change has happened on Sarah's portal or not. So here we will quickly jump to the employee section, and we will enter Sarah's email, that is gmail.com. Yeah, and then quickly we'll write the password and login. See, here the status showing rejected. It because the manager has rejected it, so its status is showing rejected. Now let's move on to the you have seen how this workflow has happened all about. Now let us see the admin section, which is the next part of our portal, that is admin section. So here admin section, since he is admin, so here is some extra options you can see. So I'm writing the name, suppose Sam, and the country, let's select USA. Yeah, and then email ID, suppose it is m it is sam@gmail.com. Yeah, and password it is 888. Login. Yes, so you can see this is our admin dashboard, and here all the things which the user can that is the admin can do. Here is a section. Here you has to type the username and description, and managers you can select from a list of managers who are available, and then here are all the rules condition, whether is manager is an approver or is the approval sequence matter, all these things, and then finally he can save the rule. So this is our the thing admin dashboard. So I will fill up my name, the user is Sam, and here rule description, suppose we write rule for travel expenses. Yeah, and then I will select a person from here. Suppose I select Rahul, who is the manager who will deal with this, and then I have the option is the manager an approver. I can select this option, or either I can select this also, if the sequence matters or not. Now this is the default value written. You can choose any value from 0 to 100. Suppose I will write 25%, no, not 25, say let's suppose 60% of approval percentage will matter. And then I have a list of the persons who requires approval for that. So suppose I will select Sarah, to whom this will apply, and then here you can see other options. Suppose Sarah, Nancy, like this. Yes, let's keep it wait, let's keep it to 50%. Yeah, and then let's do this, and then let's click on the save rule. So this says there will rule save quickly, and you can check the console for details and all. So this was all the project all about, and then these are all the sections, and then let's quickly move on to our presentation, continue it from there. So here you have seen the quick demo of our project. So what is the tech stack which I have used in this? I have used React along with Tailwind CSS. For the backend, I have used Node.js with Express.js, and for the database, I have used MongoDB. And what are its impact and future scope? This project has a huge impact. Like it is 70%. It results in 70% faster approve cycles, reduces manual errors, and improves transparency. And it can in future integrated with HRMs and ERP platforms, SMS and email notification, role-based dashboards, and AI-based approval systems. So thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you again.